Welcome to Product Critique, your one-stop channel for detailed insights on top-tier tech accessories. In today's review, we're featuring what we confidently call the best Canon Lp E5 battery charger currently available, the Lp E5 battery charger by Canon. Whether you're shooting professional portraits or capturing everyday memories, a reliable charger is essential, and this one delivers exactly that. Let's start with the basics. This Lp E5 charger is specifically designed for Canon DSLR cameras, and even the KISS F series. It's a perfect match if you're using older Canon bodies that are still delivering stunning results. And yes, it is fully compatible with the original Lp E5 battery, no surprises or guesswork here. Physically, it's compact and travel-ready. With dimensions of approximately 3.35 inches in height, 1.81 inches in width, and just 1.38 inches in depth. You can toss it into your camera bag without a second thought. It's incredibly lightweight at only 0.11 pounds, which makes a big difference for photographers on the move. Now here's what we love: simplicity. The charger features an intuitive LED indicator system. When your battery is charging, the light is red. When it's fully charged, it turns green. No more confusing flashing lights or codes to interpret. You can simply glance at it and know exactly where your battery stands. But what about safety? This charger is no slouch. It's CE certified and built with smart protection against overvoltage, overcurrent, and short circuits. That means peace of mind for your expensive camera gear. You can plug it in and walk away, knowing your battery and camera are in safe hands. Speaking of power, it delivers an output voltage of 8.4 volts, which is exactly what your Lp E5 battery needs for optimal charging performance. Plus, it's compatible with 100-volt power sources, which means you can use it in many regions worldwide with the right converter. Especially handy for international travel. In terms of design, the green color might surprise you, but it actually makes it easy to locate among your other black camera accessories. It's a small but thoughtful touch that frequent shooters will appreciate. This charger doesn't come with a lot of fluff. It just works, every time. No complicated features, no extra gimmicks, just a reliable, safe, and travel-friendly charger for your Canon camera. So, if you're looking for a trustworthy replacement or a reliable backup for your Lp E5 batteries, the Canon charger checks all the boxes. It's efficient, certified for safety, clearly communicates charge status, and it won't take up space or weight in your gear bag. Thanks for watching today's review. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth breakdowns of the best tech and accessories on the market. Until next time, keep shooting, keep exploring.